slow. Okay? And there's a big roller coaster. It's really fast. And all the kids go on at once, then the other one turn. Yeah. And there's a jumpy thing we can bounce in. Like we can jump on the floor. We can do that.
Right.
Big. And there's a big extra thing you can put your head on and roll over. Yeah, very fun. And there's a mat there for you can jump this way and then get dizzy.
Oh, fun.
Yeah. My friend go there and jump and then she jumped on upside down and ran. Yes. And then she like that. Pretty that fast. Yeah. She flipped over like that.
Wow, that was a good jump.
And then she